All right, this is the CoonMan show, and this is CoonMan talking at you, and we're back. Not another gameplay or anything like that, or anything like that of that nature. Back with a computer build and noise in my background. It's gonna be the new graphics card I've been running for a minute, and the old computer build just for S&Gs. It's gonna be new power supply, new RAM there, DDR4, motherboard. Well, don't gotta have, but have the AMD. It's gonna be all AMD build. So, yeah, whatever. Forgot to mention that is a Ryzen 2700X. I'm gonna leave it on the stock cooler and everything when it comes in the box and everything. I'll have the results up shortly. Thanks for watching.